Welcome back to Tiempo, celebrating 20 years of advocating for Hispanic healthcare needs and promoting Hispanic healthcare professionals. Here with us this morning from the National Association of Hispanic Health Executives, George Zeppenfeld-Cestero and Geraldine Massa. One of the issues and one of the things that you promote, raise awareness and positively impact health disparities within the community. Geraldine, I'll start with you. What are some of those? Give me an example of some of those disparities, if you will.
Yeah, I mean, in regards to nutrition, obesity, cardiovascular health, heart disease, diabetes, hypertension, which is high blood pressure. And the way that we do this, we have annual forums, so we gather different healthcare professionals, and we have a panel and inform the public about these different health disparities.
Particularly the Latino public, because in some of those issues, the rate of diabetes in the Latino community is off the charts.
Yeah.
Let me ask you this, George, because 20 years now, you have a gala and a celebration coming up. Are you honoring any particular people or groups or organizations that have helped pave the way to get to where you are today?
I think I really have to give credit to the Greater New York Hospital Association, which is the trade association for all the hospitals in New York. If it wasn't without the support of their president, Ken Rasky, as well as Lee Perlman, it wouldn't have been possible, because they've really been the financial foundation for our mentorship program, which is for underrepresented racial and ethnic minority students pursuing health careers.
Which sounds like not just Latinos.
No. Yeah. So it's a way of bringing together, students that are studying medicine, dentistry, nursing,
or administrators who like to go into pharmaceutical companies or insurance companies.
Right. Yeah, they're always learning.
Exactly.
You're expanding your horizons.
Right.
I love, Geraldine, the pipeline that I saw, the way you guys sort of mold and shape people along their academic and career advancement, starting with many people who come in as volunteers, and then you take them to a mentorship program, and then from there, young professional council, managers council, and then hopefully a board member.
Associate board member.
Okay.
And then in June, a board member.
Have you seen that formula work?
Yes.
Can you think of people who...
So I myself am a product of that. I started off as M&T in the mentorship program.
Okay.
And then being involved with AHHE has definitely just helped me grow as a healthcare professional. And I've been part of the Youth Young Professionals Council. And now, in June, becoming a board member. So I myself have grown and am a product of this pipeline that we have.
And it works.
And we have many other stories of many mentees as well who have,
Part of the mission, promoting public awareness of Hispanic health care needs. Specifically, what might some of those be?
Well, healthcare needs are things like making sure you have a primary care physician. So you have your private doctors. You're not going to an emergency room where someone doesn't know you. So you have a primary care physician. So that's one of the areas we look at. Looking at prevention services. You don't want to go into a hospital where you have kidney failure. You want to detect it early on. So those are some of the areas. Prevention is certainly a key area. Having a primary care provider is extremely important.
20 years, have you laid out the mission plan for the next 20? I mean, where do we go from here?
We're working on that. We're working on our white paper to really discuss this unique healthcare leadership initiative so that we can duplicate it. And we've already been doing it throughout the country in various states.
They say, what do you do when you achieve your goals? You set a new list of goals, and you go from there. Continued success to you guys. That's great. 20 years. Congratulations.
Felicidades.
All right, coming up next on Tiempo, the Loisaida Center on the Lower East Side holds its annual festival celebrating the Latino community. That's coming up in about a week. More on what special plans are on tap for this year's fiesta cuando regresemos.